Hi guys, so today I'll be reviewing the designer's choice, the new designer's choice for Tonic Studios that is now available. I'll have the links in the description box. So this item was sent to me free of charge from Tonic for my review, and all opinions are my own. And any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase any items through those links. So if you're not familiar with the designer's choice, it's not a club so much as every month when they put it out, you can, just purchase it. And I believe in the US it's $19.99, but go ahead and verify that there on their website. And it comes just like this. It will come in this nice packaging here, and really cute. So it's designer's choice on the outside, and it's a nice envelope. But it does come in a little carrier like this, and then you can put this in, I believe, an A5 size binder. I'll have a link to one of the binders. You can see what that looks like. That you can slip this into. As you can see, it has the little holes there for that. And this month is this cute little milk carton is what it appears to be. Look at that. So the main die is this one here, and hopefully you can kind of imagine what that looks like. So you're going to need a couple of these to make the little rectangular box with that little top. Or it looks kind of like a milk carton, like a juice box, I guess is more than anything. Sorry, I just wanted to make a pause to make sure they're calling it a drink carton. So whatever kind of drink you would like to create out of that, it's really cute. So it has tons of different inlays. I don't know if you can see, there's like this rectangular one. There's a little design that can go in that. There's like this floral inlay. You have the little triangle. You have another inlay with like little flowers if you'd like. You have these diagonal inlays, which is really cool. So lots of different ways to use that. I believe this one says something, but I'm not sure exactly what it says. Let's see. Sweet. We'll have to cut it out because I'm not exactly sure what that next part says, but it does say sweet there. The little flowers that kind of echo those flowers there, so you can bring those back. This really cute kind of, I want to say like vignette. It's really cute with the little strawberries, and I'm loving strawberry things right now, so this is right up my alley. A cute little strawberry here. We have a little butterfly. So lots of cute little dies. Again, some more inlays, like a little label or tag. We have these little guys here. We can do all kinds of stuff with another inlay that has a little message there. It says hello. I want to say sweet stuff, but it says hello sweet something. Okay, we're gonna have to punch that one out. Again, we have all these cute little items. So I'm gonna do is grab some paper. We'll just get cutting the main die, which is this one here. And then we'll kind of see how we need to use the other pieces for that. Okay, so I'm just gonna use some basic Craft Perfect white paper here, just for the base, and then we'll build up from there. And I will measure this for you guys just in case you need to know the dimensions. So this larger die is from the very edges of the die, it's about 4 3/8 of an inch, just a little smaller than that, by 5 inches. Okay, so I'll let you know what you can cut it on there. And then we also need this base for the very bottom of the carton, okay, or your drink box. So what I'm going to do is just kind of eyeball this, and then we'll run 2 of these through and the square base. Okay, so just cutting edge down, of course, run that through your die cutting machine. I'll be right back with 2 of these and 1 of the square bases. I suppose you could do 2 of the square base. We'll talk about that in just a minute, but I'll be right back. Okay, so our pieces here, and I do want to mention there's another piece here that you can slide into this area and cut at the same time if you wanted to. It'll make slits on both of them, and then you can run some ribbon through there or something like that to hold that closed if that's what you want. I think I'm just going to glue it for now. But I just want to show that to you guys. So we're going to go ahead and get these folded. And I always like to use a good wet glue for boxes. But if you want to use, your red line tape or whatever it is that you think is very sturdy, then go ahead and use that. Just trying to fold these the way they're supposed to. And then this is probably going to go back like this, right, for the carton. So we'll get the shape when we get there. And then these are going to go back to each other. And so I'll do the same thing with this one, just get it bent into shape, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we have these both kind of just turned in and doing what it needs to do. So I'm just going to put some wet adhesive here. I'm looking at all the dies on this. It has a lot of dies, and then some of them are kind of interesting, like this one here. would cut a slit into your paper, so, you know, wherever, if you need to cut more things into this, like if you want to make it to a cage instead of just layering, then you would cut it obviously before you put this together. But if you were to put that there and just kind of put a little slit in your paper, then go ahead and do that after you decorate it, and, you know, whenever you want to put that, but before you put it together like this. So I'm putting it together already because I'm just going to decorate the outside. So we're just going to glue that. And I'm just going to hold this side down till it's set up, and then we'll glue this opposite side. Okay, and this guy here, we're just going to put this here. And then just make sure this is... So what I was saying, when you can cut this other piece twice, the square base, is because if you want to cover it from the inside to make it look a little more finished, you can place a square on the inside and a square on the outside. I'm just going to stick to the one on the outside. So I'm just going to hold this until that's set up, and I'll be right back. Okay, it's already taking shape. Really cute. Look at that. Okay, and at the bottom we're just going to put our last little square here. Okay, I'm just going to hold that in place until it sets up. Okay, so we have our little box done and ready to go, and I would just train it more, and then I'm going to glue the top, but again, you can do the slits if you want to do that. Look at that, perfectly nice and clean, just so cute. Okay, I'm gonna put that to the side for now. So as far as, you know, I'm not really sure exactly what each one of these is, so what I'm gonna do is cut each one of these out. Just as an example, I have this scrap of lilac cardstock here from the craft kit number 37, and I'm gonna put these here just to get the whole thing cut out. I'm gonna tape that down so they don't move. And then I'm also going to cut one of this one just to see what the words are. So we have this one, and then we have one other one that looks like it has some words. So that way we can kind of see what each one says, and then we'll plan our design there. And this one, I believe, looks like it has some wording, so I just want to get it cut out just to see. Okay, and I will run this through, and we'll be right back. Okay, they all just came out very easily here. So, okay, so it did say sweet, but I couldn't make out the next word there. So sweet treats. Cute. Yeah, hello sweet thing. That's what I thought it said, but I wasn't too sure. Love the little dotting around that. So cute. And this one here says goodies. Aw. Okay, so let me grab some papers and something to, you know, to decorate our little carton with, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we have a few panels to decorate, and you can decorate all 4 panels. I'm not sure quite yet if I'm going to do all 4 or just the front and the back one maybe. You can just do the front one, however you want to do it. I also have an inlay for this top part here. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take this outer frame from this guy, and I'm going to cut out a piece of cardstock that will layer over this white piece here, and then I'm going to use this piece together like this. I'm going to use this one together. Again, you don't have to do that. You can do them separately so you can layer up the colors, but which is what we're going to do right now anyway. And then this corner piece here matches back up to that one with the little flowers, so I'm going to use this one. And then the sweet treats, this one here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, I have a few different colors here, and I thought we were gonna go with some kind of really just bold colors. So this mirror card, the honey gold, it's a matte mirror, satin effect, should I say. I'm gonna cut out of this one here. And then I'm going to cut the words sweet treats out of the magnificent magenta high gloss mirror card, and then I'm going to cut the little accent pieces, these guys, from the electric purple. Okay, and I will be right back. Okay, just want to show you as we're going along here. I got these guys cut too. And then I have this purple cardstock. So again, like I said, we'll cut both these together. I'm going to have to cut an outline in gold of just this one. And then just the triangles. And so the triangles, I need 2 for each panel. So we're going to need 4 of just the triangles. And then 4 of the triangle with the insert. And then 2 of this guy. So 2 gold of this, 2 with the purple, with the inlay. But I'm just going to do it like this. So that's what I've been doing. Just taping them down, holding them in place, and running them through. Oop, let me bring this over here. Okay. And then run that through, okay? So that's what I have been doing, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I have all my pieces here. So what I'm going to do, again, is just take like this one here and stick it down here. And then I have my little corner pieces that will go in with that. Actually, I need to clean this one out, but I'll clean that out and put that on there. Okay, so I'm just going to take, again, I always like to use kind of like a wet adhesive. I can see the little E is still there. There we go. And I would stick this one down first just because I'm not sure exactly where it needs to go on the corners. So let's do this one first. So I put the glue, but I am going to kind of pat it off on my hand because I can see that there's going to be some that wants to come out. So let's just get it a little bit thinner layer. It's a little better. And line that up best I can. There's that layer. And then basically same thing with the next one to make sure it's all cleaned out. And you can always put the glue on the back of your hand and pat from there, or like I just did that, and then just patting some of the excess off so it flattens out. Right there. With a little space around. And I'll do the same thing with this bottom corner. And then these guys, we just need to... Okay, sorry. So I went ahead and just put that down. The kids came downstairs, so that gave me a little break. And I also realized I don't need the gold triangle, so I'll save it for another time because I already have the gold obviously on here. So it's a little early in the morning. I misspoke there, so I didn't need to cut the triangles, but you can see how that would work if you wanted to, or even if you just wanted to use the triangles just like that and not matte behind. You could do something like that, and you can just leave it on here. So just a different thing. Since I have them cut, you can kind of envision that, right? There you go. So that's what I'm going to use for this panel here. So cute. And then this one I'm going to pair up on top of each other, just the way I've been putting the glue, and then just put it down, and then now it's going to go up here. But I'll be right back once I have this cut. And then I was thinking, you know, it's kind of bare on this top part, so what I'm going to do is cut out the word goodies in the magenta paper. Okay, so I'm going to cut out 2 of these, and I'll be right back. I have a lot of little bits around here. So I cut out the word goodies, and then I went ahead and just cut the outer frame, right? Because you can keep these separate. So together I did the purple, and then with just the outer, or actually the magenta, and then it's just the outer frame I did the gold. And again, I'm just going to stick it together like we did the rest of them. So let me just put a little glue on the back of this. And kind of pat off some of that excess. Alright, so once that's set up, it'll be great. And then I'm going to put this on here. So, and we can dimensional adhesive this if you want. I'm just going to stick them down. And I'll do the same thing for the back side here. It looks so cute and extra special with all that shiny paper, you know. So thanks for hanging in there with me. Like I said, you know, I get these things, I don't really know exactly what we're supposed to do with them, and so it was kind of fun just to figure it out as I went along here. And even though I had to kind of go back and forth with some things. And there's that. You can also keep these all the way to the edge too. I kind of kept gold evenly around, but if it was all the way down to the edge, you would just have a space right here in between them. So stick that however you'd like. Cute. Just trying to hold that down. And then this part. So I'm going to do the back side too, and I will be right back. Okay guys, look how cute that is. It reminds me of like a kind of ornate, old school, like something you would get at an old movie theater, you know, back in the day, or something so like shiny with cute little popcorn or something. I don't know, just reminds me of that kind of thing. So look how cute. So again, I didn't cut the spaces on top there, the slats that would be for like a ribbon. So basically I'm going to make it so that when whoever gets it is actually going to open it, kind of like a milk carton, right? So I'm going to close this up really well, and I'm going to hold it down because it's very sturdy, and I'm not sure if it's, you know, attributed to the paper, the Craft Perfect white paper, because it's also kind of like just a sturdier paper for stamping and coloring and all that, but it feels super sturdy and just really nice. Simple, again, just a simple design. You know, you have the front and the back and your base, and it worked out really well. This is really, really ornate, really cute. And I'm not even using half the stuff on here. Let me bring this back. So there's a lot we can do with the kit. Again, you have all these cute little decorations. You have all these little things that look kind of like if something's dripping, you know. We have a little scallop. And you can also use those on these larger pieces here. So I figured that's how you're going to use it. You're going to cut out, you know, your rectangle, and then maybe you want to take some off of it to make it look decorative, you know, however it is that you want to use these. You have them there, and then you add it to your panel. But super cute. I'm going to leave it just like this with the two sides blank here. But thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you all at the next one. The links will be in the description box. Again, this is available for purchase now. They normally sell out pretty quickly, and I'm just saying that because that's the gospel truth. You guys know that with the last one with the cup, it sold out really, really quickly. So thanks for watching, guys. I will see you at the next one. Thank you so much, Tonic, for sending these items for my review, and I'll have some pics for you, and I hope you're all doing well, and I'll see you later. Bye now.